A local man is being awarded again for his dedication to serving his community and keeping them safe from severe weather. Steve Coons has more than 100 years of weather data. The older records were donated to him, but he has been dedicated in collecting his own data for nearly 50 years. Every day about 4 in the afternoon, it looks like this around the Coons household in the small town of Bern, just outside of Montpelier.
Our low was 32. You see that?
Coons gathers the weather data for the day and reports it to the National Weather Service and area TV and radio stations in Idaho and Utah every day.
It doesn't only affect my life, it affects everybody else's life. And I love it. It's a science.
He's talking about the weather.
Something you can't control. You don't have any control over it, but yet it affects us all.
Coons gets the most joy out of helping people use his weather observations in their daily lives.
The thrill of being able to affect someone else. Don't cut your hay today. I told one guy here in our little community, I says, don't cut your hay. Don't cut it. We're going to get dumped on. And he thanked me.
And the National Weather Service is here to say thank you because the volunteer weather observers are vital to their daily operations.
Well, we have about 9,000 volunteers nationwide, and only 25 are recognized each year. So our volunteers are really our eyes in the community because our location, we're in a centralized place, but everybody else lives throughout southeast Idaho. So Mr. Coons is basically our eyes to serve the Bear Lake region, helping not only temperature and precipitation, but when we have severe weather, thunderstorms or blizzards, he's reporting that to our team real time, which helps us in turn get that out to the community through our different media outlets.
Coons is receiving the John Campanius Holm Award for nearly 30 years of dedication and outstanding service in the Cooperative Observer Program. This award, which is the agency's second highest, is only presented to 25 cooperative weather observers nationwide each year. And this is the second time Coons has received this award. Dan Valley with the National Weather Service says only 12 people nationwide had ever received the award twice. The drop-in was unexpected.
Hello, Mr. Coons.
My wife pulled a trick on me. My wife pulled a trick on me.
I'm Vernon Preston.
She told me a fib.
With the National Weather Service.
You look familiar.
And this is Dan Valley.
You look familiar too.
I am familiar, yeah. I was down here a couple years ago.
I asked Coons what this award means to him.
It means I'm going to keep doing this until I die. It's an honor. I feel it's a reward.
This award was 2 years in the making because of the COVID-19 pandemic, so it was delayed a little bit. But it included the framed certificate, a goodie bag, and a monogrammed jacket from the National Weather Service. And in full disclosure, Mr. Steve Coons happens to be my father.
Okay.
So he's my dad, and I have even collected that weather data many times when I was a kid.
Yeah, I can see the resemblance.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's all right.
Yeah, that's why you're so handsome. All right, well, Todd, in honor of your father, we're going to do something a little different. Our hometown highs and lows are always played alphabetically, but tonight we're starting with Bern and Montpelier.
So it's right there at the top, a high of 66 and the low this morning was 37. Good job, Dad. We'll be right back with your forecast.